Guys, you can tell me that I'm muted, right? I'm going on talking. Did you have any questions on the homework? Hey, did you
I
have any?
had I had a few, but I worked with my mom and understood them.
It was easy.
I got help from my sister whenever I had questions I couldn't do.
Oh, there were some questions, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, definitely we can go over that as well.
Well, they weren't questions I couldn't do. It was just ones that would take a really, really long time.
Okay, maybe we can experiment whether there is an easier way to do that, you know? You want to try that? I mean, can you tell me one question where you had like that? I just want to see what were your
Question 96 on page 48.
One minute, ma. Question 96 on page number. 1 second. I'm going to question 96 on page number 4. I thought so, Shruti, before you told me, right? I thought that might have been one of the question. So this one, right? For some reason, it told me it might have been one of the question. This one, right? Okay. You know what? I can tell you one easy way to do this. Okay. I didn't teach you that. Okay. That comes in algebra. But I can show you how to quickly do if you want me to. See, here you can change these radicals into exponents. I'll introduce you to that. You can change these radicals to exponents. These are radicals, right? A radical with nothing is like square root, right? This, whatever is inside is your number. That number power 1 by 2. The radical gets converted to a rational exponent. Do you see it? So
Yeah.
now cube root will get converted to what? Cube root will
Times
get
1/3.
fourth root will get converted to power 1 by 4. You got it?
Yeah.
So here what happens? Let me convert 1 by 1. First, before I go to converting those radicals, what is 1 by 256? It is 1 by 2 power of 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 8, right? Right? So whenever you see a composite number, express it as prime power. After that, right, what you can do, convert this first radical into a power. Okay. And now, again convert it to another power. Again convert it to another power. You got it? One power of anything is 1. Don't worry about the 1 at all. So the power only applies to the lower piece. Half, half, half. Am I making sense, guys?
I think so.
Yeah, when there are powers, right, you can just multiply all the powers. Fractional powers. What is it? What is it if you multiply the powers? 8 times, half times, half times, half. Power of powers. It is called the power of powers for exponents. What is it? What is the answer to this?
1.
The power becomes 1. So 1 by 2 power 1 is 1 by 2. Easy? When you start converting the radicals to rational exponent, it becomes easier. How about this? 214 by 25. How did you simplify, guys? 50, 64 by 25, right? 64 by 25, right? Express it as a power of power. 2 power of 6, huh? 5 power of 2, correct?
Yeah.
Now this radical, I can convert it to what? What will be the exponent?
2.
1/2.
1/2, right? No 2.
1/2.
Radical is converted to fractional power.
Yeah.
Now this half power is applies to both. 2 power of 6 times 1 by 2 divided by 5 power of 2 times 1 by 2. which is 2 power of 3 by 5. 8 by 5. You get it?
Yes.
Yeah,
Is this easy?
Yes.
a lot more.
A lot more, but you know what? They introduce you to this only in Algebra 1. Basically, how you need to learn is 64 by 25. What is the square root of 64? What is the square root of 25? 8 by 5. This is how you are going to solve. Got it? And coming to that 1 by 256, right? You know how you solve it? This is square root of 1 divided by square root of 256. You know what? I will definitely ask you. You all are going to do 7th grade math, right? I will definitely ask you as soon as the school reopens or in summer to memorize 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, like that. I'll ask you to memorize till at least 25 square. Okay, when you memorize that, immediately you know square root of 256 is 16. You got it? Now, if you have things like this is done. I finished this, right? Then one more, two more are there, right? So I will try to solve this. Square root of 1 divided by square root of 16. That is equal to square root of 1 by 4. Again, that can be split as square root of 1 by square root of 4, 1 by 2. This is your way of solving it.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Converting to fractional power will come in slowly.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah, I did not teach you the entire thing there. Okay. So I'm a little afraid you might apply it wrongly. The problem is, let me show you if you want to. I don't mind showing it at all. Suppose if you have 2 power of 3 times 2 power of 2. What do you do? Think about it. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, correct? So this is written as 2 power of 5, right?
Yeah.
So in exponents, there is a law called product property. Product property means when the base is the same, you add your exponents. This will be 2 power of 5. You got it?
Yeah.
Got it.
Similarly, quotient property is there. You know what will that say? You tell me. What will that say? Sarvata, you're muted.
You subtract the
Exactly. When the base is the same, you subtract the exponents. You got it?
got it.
The power property now comes into picture. Power means power of power. If it is there, you multiply it. That is called the power property of exponents. Make sense?
Yeah.
Can I challenge you now? Since I taught you extra, right? I'm going to challenge you. Okay. 2 power of 8 divided by 2 power of minus 4 is what? What is 2 power of 8 by 2 power of minus 4? What is the answer?
Do I put it in chat or do I say it out loud?
Say it out loud, ma. Only the 4 of you are there. I don't know
I
where the
got
others have gone.
2 to the power of 12.
Correct. 2 to the power of 12. That's right. So this is 2 to the power of 12. Interesting, right?
Yeah.
Do you know about what is 2 power of minus 4?
It's no.
It's a negative exponent, right?
Yeah.
Negative exponent means you want to change it to a positive exponent. You know what? 2 power of minus 4 by 1, right? If you want to change it to a positive exponent, you can put it in the form. If it is in the numerator, push it to the denominator with a positive exponent. That's all.
Oh.
You got it? Similarly, if you're given like this, what it is?
You make it 2 to the power 3/1.
Yep, that's it. Wherever it is, push it up. Negative exponents can be changed to positive exponents.
Okay.
Viraj, are you following?
Yeah.
How about this? 2 power of, oh my God, what I'm doing. 2 power of x times 3 power of x times 5 power of x. See, here the bases are different, but the exponents are all the same. You see it? So I can clearly write it out as 2 times 3 times 5 whole power of x because that's the same. You can take it out. This is 30 power of 6. So what is x? It's an easy one, just logic.
It's 6.
Yes, how? 30
Because
power of x equal to 30 power of 6. So you can just equate because the bases are the same. Make sense?
yes.
Viraj, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. What power of 3? What power of 3 equal to 21 power of 4 by 7 power of 4? I will do this, guys. Okay, next one I'll ask you. 21 power of 4 is what? How can I split 21? If it's a composite number, you will have to think as prime powers. I can write it like this, right?
Uh-huh.
Now, if it is in parenthesis, the exponent applies to each. 7 power of 4 times 3 power of 4 by 7 power of 4. So they get cancelled 3 power of 4. Make sense?
Yes.
Exponents are very easy, provided you understand the hang of it. How about this? 7 times 11 times 13 equal to 1001. What is 7 square, 11 square, 13 square product?
Is it just do 1001 squared?
Correct. So just take out the power, you write it like this. You call this as 1001 square. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, what power of 5? Can you simplify this one? To powers of 5.
You make the 10 and do it 2 times
Correct. You want to
5.
do it and tell me? Yeah, you want to do it and send it to me?
Yeah, well, okay.
You know what? Actually, I wanted to work with you on Pythagorean theorem. But we are working on experiment. That's okay. See, next week, can we write out a test or you don't want a test? I'm okay, whatever you guys say, because you know you've all passed CBE. Devansh got into math rock, so I'm okay with anything. Devansh, you know there are a couple more people who got into math rocks. I'm impressed. There are a couple more who are coming to this class.
Is my answer correct?
I'll check mine and see. Yes, Sarvata. Viraj, what Viraj? Observing?
I don't really understand this one.
Because you joined late. That is the deal about it. But I can help you. Where is that you're not understanding?
Like, what do you mean? Like, like a fraction 2 powers of 5. Like, how do you do that? Like,
Okay, I'll explain. But may I make the request that you have to come on time?
yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks. Now, 2 power of 7, right? How can I write 10, Viraj?
10.
No. 10 is a composite number, right? Write it as a prime power.
Like 5 times 2. Like,
Yeah, 5 times 2 whole power of 7. Can I write down?
yeah.
In that case, the power 7 applies to each one. 2 power of 7 by 5 power of 7 times 2 power of 7. Make sense?
Yeah.
These both get cancelled. 1 by 5 power of 7. Make sense?
Oh, yeah.
But when I want to push it up, I can say it's 5 power of minus 7. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Denominator goes up, then it gets a negative power. Okay, if the negative power is present up, push it to the denominator, it gets a positive exponent.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Can you write a power? I don't know. What are they asking? Wait. Write a power of 2 that's equal to write a power of 2 that's equal to write a power of write a power of 1 by 8 that is equal to 2 power of 6. Okay, it's the reverse. Okay, for a minute, I did not understand what was going on. Write a power of 1 by 8 that's equal to 2 power of 6. Try, otherwise I'll help you. Okay, what happened to the test? What do you want to do? I'm okay with anything, but you have to give me your inputs. I respect your opinion, honestly telling you. What do you want to do? Everybody can have your own opinion, okay?
I
One
don't
can say,
really
no, one can say yes, and you can explain. I respect each of your opinion. I'm saying, and you're all keeping quiet. What is this, guys?
I don't
really want to do
test.
that.
Oh, okay. So none of you are wanting. See, Devansh already said no. Okay, so you can, yeah. How about you, Viraj? Do you want to take a test next week, or I can go ahead with Pythagorean? See, I'm okay. Only in your class, I'm okay. Okay, because you all wrote a CB exam and you've passed, and I can tell your parents too accordingly.
I don't really want to do a test either.
A test. Okay, yeah. See, all the 4 of you don't want to do a test. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. But usually I always ask you to take it, but this time I know how hard you worked. Fine. Let's move on. Write a power. We'll just continue with the book, okay? And finish
Really
assignment.
get this question.
Arihan, you know what? You're coming too late.
I forgot about the meaning.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Can I do this one for you guys? Arihan, this is the question. Write a power of 1 by 8 that is 2 power of 6. That is equal to 2 power of 6. So how can I write 2 power of 6? What is 2 power of 6? Can I write it as 2 power of 3 times 2 power of 3?
Yeah, and that's 8 times 8, which
And
is
that's
16.
equal to 8 times 8. But the problem is, this is equal to 8 square I'm seeing. They want it as 1 by 8, so push it down.
And that's 8 negative 2.
Yeah, that's it. You got it?
Got it.
Arihan, are you following Arihan?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yes. I'm listening.
No. Did you get it? The negative powers and all, did you get it?
No.
See,
No.
1 by 4 can be written as 4 power of minus 1. 4 power of minus 1 is 1 by 4. When you have a negative power, push it to the denominator. It becomes a positive power. When you have a negative power in the denominator, push it to the numerator, it will have a positive power. That is what is all about negative exponents. You know why? See here, 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, 2 power of 1 is 2. See, find out 2 power of 0 is 1. What is 2 power of minus 1? What do you guys think? Go with the pattern.
2 power of minus 1 is 1 over 2.
Exactly. That is why you see 2 power of negative 1 is push it to the denominator. That's all. Got it?
I have a question though. How
Yes.
is 2 to the power 0 1?
Good question. Okay, you don't know what is 2 power of 0. Based on the pattern, what comes as 2 power of 0? You tell me. Based on this pattern, what is 2 power of 0? See the pattern.
It's well, it divides by 2 each time, so I think
Exactly. So 2 divided by 2 is a 1, correct? Similarly, 3 power of 3 is 27. 3 power of 2 is a 9. 3 power of 1 is 3. 3 power of 0 is what? See the pattern and do.
it's dividing by 3 each time, so it's 1.
Yes. Got it?
Got it.
Priya, I realized something.
Yes, please, Arihan. Would love to hear from you.
So I saw that when the negative exponents go on and on, the number never reaches 0.
That's true. When you have negative exponents, the number never reaches to 0. Think about this.
That would be 1 over 4 to the power of 2000.
Going to be a huge number. If you divide 1 by that, it will be 0.00000000001 maybe, correct? You're never going to reach 1. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. How about this? How about this? Write a power of, this is fun actually, 1 by 25 that is equal to 5 power of minus 8. Go ahead. Can I write down?
Am I correct saying that 5 to the power of negative 5 is 0.0016?
No, I'm not asking you any decimal values. You see what I mean? Yeah, Sarvata.
Yes. Is my answer correct?
Yeah, I think so, Sarvata. Correct.
Okay.
You want to explain, ma?
Yeah. So what I did is, since 5 to the power negative 8 is 1 over 5 to the
You want to
power.
write and explain, ma?
I can't annotate. I'm on a Chromebook.
Okay, go ahead.
So since 5 to the power negative 8 is equal to 1 over 5 to the power 8, I did 5 squared times 5 squared times 5 squared times 5 squared. And since 5 squared is 25, which means one of those is 1 over 25, that means the answer is 1 over 25 to the power of 4.
Make sense, guys? Arihan, did you get it?
I still don't get it.
Oh, what is that you didn't get it? Can you, Amma, Arihan, please, you have to log in on time. That's why you're not understanding anything now. Okay, see, the question is asking, see, Arihan, honestly, I'm telling, see, if you don't write, there are people who are waiting and you are wanting to be explained, because we went through all this from the start of the class, Amma. Okay, now, write a power of 1 by 25 that is equal to 5 power of minus 8 means, see, what is 5 power of minus 8? I can write 5 power of minus 8 as 1 by 5 power of 8. But how to write it in terms of 25? 25 is what? 5 square, right? So this can be written as 5 square. This 8 can be 4 times 2. Power of power property. Power of power property. Right? Now, that 5 square is 25. You see? Did you understand that? Got it?
No,
Hmm?
I still don't understand it.
Where is it you didn't understand?
How did you get? How were you able to convert the 1/5 to the power of 8 to 25 to the power of 2 to the power of 4?
No, no, no. Tell me the step. You can show me. You can draw on the board.
Okay. So I don't understand that how you were able to convert 1/5 to the power of 8 to this number.
Okay.
I
1
don't-
by 5 power of 8, right? Right?
Yes,
What is 5 power of 8? Can I write that as 5 power of 2 power of 4?
I'm not sure.
Yes, because we covered that property before you came into the class. So when you have power of powers, you can multiply the powers. So 5 power 8 can be written as 5 square whole power of 4.
Is
What?
this law of exponents?
Yeah, law of exponents, yes.
I forgot it.
So 5 square is 25 power 4. Make sense?
Yes.
I can again write it out as 1 by 25 whole power of 4 because 1 power of 4 is 1. Make sense?
Yes.
How about this? Can you write this as a power of 2? All of you. Can you write that as a power of 2? Raja.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Ma.
Are you saying we have to write it like? Are we saying if it's possible to write it as the power of 2, or what is the power of 2?
You tell me 8 can be written as power of 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah, write it down and multiply the powers. Power of powers can also always be multiplied and written down.
So that means it could be 8 to the power of 42.
Correct.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Uh,
is there like a fast like trick to like do like exponents like 8 to the power of 7 like really fast, or like do you have to like solve it
which one, Ma?
like
Like,
for example, like 8 to the power of 7, is there like a faster method, or do you have to just solve like 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8?
no, you can tell me the answer as 8 power. Absolutely fine. You can tell me the answer as a power of, got it?
Okay, yeah.
You can say the answer as a power of 8. Do you get it?
Yeah.
This is a 6 ones of 42. Sorry. Got it?
Yeah.
If you have like this, right, then the product property, same base, different exponent. That is when you are going to add. If you have it as division, you are going to subtract the exponents. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Now, 8 can be written as 2 power of 3, right?
Yeah.
Now, Sarvata, how Sarvata? 2 power of 126, right, Sarvata?
Oh, yeah. I accidentally divided the 2 by, I accidentally divided 42 by 2.
No worries. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and try to find which two are equal here. A lot on powers. Which two numbers are equal? Arhan, you're not answering. What is going on with you? I don't know.
I was thinking.
Arhan. No. Arhan, you are listening, I know. Arhan,
Yeah.
you're not answering. What is going on? I have no idea.
Oh, I just came back from the bathroom.
You know what? You didn't log in on time. You came late. And in between you go, how will you understand things?
No, I had to go to the bathroom at the start.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, can you do this? So
How am I supposed to write it?
What is it? Which one? Here, I want you to tell me which two are equal? What two numbers are equal?
How do I tell that? Like, is it like A, B, C, D or something?
Yeah, yes. Thank you for asking. A, B, C, D, E. Make sense?
Oh, I
Yeah.
wrote down the problems.
Oh, did you get that so quickly?
Yeah, I could easily tell.
Oh, no. How did you get that?
Huh? Is my answer correct?
I'm going mad, guys. Sarvata, can you tell me what are the numbers? What are the A, B, C, D letters?
What do you mean by that?
What are the letters, ma, that are equal? A, B, C,
Oh,
D, E.
B and D.
That's nice to know, but I don't know if it is right.
Oh.
Guys, here it is 3 times 2 square, right? How can that be equal?
Oh.
3 times 2 square is 12 cube, right?
Yeah.
How can that be equal? This is not 3 times 2, the whole square, the whole cube. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Shruti, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, go check. Check.
On C, is that 3 squared times 2 squared to the power of 4 or times 4?
Mama, here, okay.
On C, on C.
Sorry. I should have written it nicely, right, ma? Sorry about it. 3 power of 4, 2
No,
power.
I'm talking about C.
You're talking about C, amma. 3 square, 2 square, whole power of 4. Make sense?
Mhm.
I can work on this with you guys if you want me to. Can I work? Or if you want to try, try.
Can you help us?
Yes, ma. Sarvata, what is that?
I don't really get how to do it.
No problem at all. See, we are all working together. Today is the first day you're all getting introduced. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, get the hang of it. This is a composite number, right, guys?
Yeah.
When it is a composite number, what do you do?
Prime factorize it.
Yeah, 3 times 4. Don't even put it to 3 times 4. Prime factorize. What does it mean? 3 times 2 squared, the whole square, the whole square. Got it? So this is what? This applies to this applies to this. So 3 power of 4, 2 power of 8.
8.
Okay, now let's go to the next one, B. That is 3 times 2, the whole square, the whole cube. So the 6 power applies to both. 3 power of 6, 2 power of 6. Let me go to C. 3 square, 2 square, whole power of 4. 3 power of 8, 2 power of 8. D. 3 power of 3, 2 power of 6. Okay, nothing is same. What is that? Doesn't make any sense to me. Let's see. E, 3 power of 4. E, what was the question I gave you? Yeah, 3 power of 4, 2 power of 8. I am seeing two matching. Do you see? This one and this one.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So, see, the trick is to go to the prime factor power. Wherever, whatever question you want to compare, if you are able to go to the prime power, then it solves it all. Make sense?
Yes.
Can I give you one more?
Okay.
Okay, it's interesting. Here. 3 power of 27, 27 power 3, 9 cube times 9 cube, 9 cube whole power of 3. Order from least to greatest.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
we're gonna be going outside for my sister's concert, so
Yeah,
it
please.
starts at 7. So I have
Please
to.
go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Ma'am. Did you guys get it?
I'm still solving.
Yeah. If you're stuck, please send me a message. Viraj, Arhan, are you okay? Are you sleepy? Arhan.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
is it 3 to the power of 27 and 27 to the power of 3 the same thing? So, like,
Are they the same thing? No, not really. Why do you think they are? I told you, right? Express the composite number as a prime power. You can understand. Apply power of power property where you multiply the powers. Shall I show you?
yeah.
This one, I can write it out as 3 power of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then that power 3. So I can write that thing as 3 power of 9. This is 3 power of 27. Got it?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Can you mark them as A, B, C, and D?
What, ma?
Can you mark them as A, B, C, and D?
Oh, sure.
Is my answer correct?
I'll check, Amma. Both have different answers, guys. Viraj and Sarvata. I think I'll solve on the board. Okay, 3 different answers are coming. Okay, no problem. Okay, so see here. 3 power of 3 square. 9 is 3 square, right? The whole cube. Then you have 3 square, the whole cube. So if that is the case, right, you get 3 power of 6 times 3 power of 6, 3 power of 12. Make sense?
That's what I did.
Similarly, here 9 is 3 square, right? Whole power of 3, whole power of 3. So 3 power of 18. Now would you be able to arrange it? B, C, then it is D, A. B, C, D, A. Viraj, did you understand?
Yeah, I got my mistake.
Arihan, how about you?
I think that raised to the power 27 is on the right side. Is the greatest, I think. Is 2 to the power 27 the greatest?
That is right, but I asked you to order from least to greatest. Did you get it?
I was still solving.
Okay, can I move on now?
Yes.
Okay. You know what? I did not open up scientific notation to you. Let's see. How about this? See, okay. Whenever you express a very large number, like the distance from Earth to Sun, distance from Moon to Earth, Moon to the Sun, so like this, If you want to express very large distances, right, in numbers, we cannot go ahead and write 2, 4, 0, 0, 0, 5, 6, 8,
I have
3,
a
9,
question.
like that. Yeah.
So, is it using to the power of 10, 100,000, 100,000?
Something similar. So that is where to denote such big numbers, we use scientific notation. Make sense? Okay. Now, let's say we have the scientific notation. In scientific notation, a number is always written as A times B. Okay, 1 second. A times 10 power of B. A times 10 power of B. That means A is a number between 1 and 10. Got it? A is a number between 1 and 10. Can I move on?
I don't understand it.
I'll tell you. There are examples. The number can be 2 times 10 power of 5. If it's a very small number, it can be 2 times 10 power of minus 5. Any questions?
What is B again? B.
What, ma?
What does B stand for?
P stands for a power, that's all.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't
Now,
What?
put those back.
But
What
then
is it?
why can't it be like 11 times 10 to the power of 5?
That's what the convention arrived is this A has to be a number between 1 and 10. Make sense? It can't be 11 times 10 power of 5. Instead, what I would do, I'll make this as 1.1. If I make this as 1.1, then it has to be 10 power of 6. Make sense? This is in scientific notation. This is not. You got it?
Not really.
Okay. What I'm saying is, if it is, okay, see, we will understand the see. Suppose I have a number 0.0076. I have this number. This is in standard notation. Make sense? This is in standard notation. Any questions here?
No.
Okay. Now, how to convert it to scientific notation? I want to bring it to a number between 1 and 10. So, move 3, right? How will you move 3 decimal places to the right? What action should you do? What action should you do to move 3 decimal places to the right? Multiply by 10 power of 3, divide by 10 power of 3. Make sense? If you do that, this decimal place moves here. So this becomes 7.6 divided by 10 power of 3. Or I can write it out as 7.6 10 power of minus 3. Any questions?
No.
Suppose if I have 0.56, how will you write it in scientific notation? This is in standard notation. How will you write it in scientific notation? Basically, I have to bring it to 5.6. So you will multiply and divide with what? 10 power of
2. No, just 10 power 1.
1. 10 power of 1. So now I use this and make this number 5.6 by 10 power of 1, or I can write it out as 5.6 times 10 power of minus 1. Any questions?
No.
How about this? 5800. How to express this this is in standard notation. How to express this in scientific notation? I will write down. So what should I do? So here, see,
You should divide it by 10 power 3.
divide by 10 power of 3, multiply by 10 power of 3. So that is like multiplying by 1. So you regroup, use this to make it as 5.8 times 10 power of 3. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Can I move on?
Yes.
How about 410000000? How to write it in scientific notation? The dot zero is here, right? So you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits you have to move back, right? So what will I do? 410 000 000. 8 digits you'll have to move back.
What you do, yeah, you do that,
Mhm.
and that becomes 4.1 times.
10 power of 8, which is in scientific notation. Make sense?
Yes.
Suppose, let's say, okay, a galaxy has 3 times 10 power of 11 stars. Okay. A galaxy has 3 times 10 power of 11 stars. Okay. There are 2 times 10 power of 12 galaxies in the universe. Okay. How many total stars are there? What operation should you perform?
Multiplication.
Good. Why don't we go ahead and multiply? 3 times 2 times 10 power of 11 times 10 power of 12. How will you multiply this?
Six times 10 to the power of 23.
Good. That's it. Is it in scientific notation?
Yes.
Yes. Our answer is right. See, now you know how to operate with scientific notation as well. How about this? One atom of helium weighs 7 times 10 power of 24 grams. Okay. Now, how many grams of helium are in a balloon that holds 6 times 10 power of 3 helium atoms? So what is the operation we should do first of all, Arihan or Arhan?
Oh,
Okay, you want to say, doesn't matter. Arihan or Arhan, you want to say, what operation will you do?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So 6 sevens are 42 times 10 power of 3 times 10 power of 24. Then what?
You multiply it again.
No, but the base is the same, right? So what property of exponent should you apply? What property of exponent?
I don't get this part.
See, because you are not there, Arihan. The base is the same, right? What will you do with the exponent?
Multiply.
No. What
Add.
will be the
You add them.
2 power of 3 times 2 power of 3 times 2 power of 5. Two power of 3 times 2 power of 5. What did we do when the bases are the same? You
multiply the exponent.
No.
I mean, you
Add the exponent. That's 2 power of 8. So here what will you do? 42 times
to 10 to the power of 27.
10 power of 27. Good job. Now, what do you do with this? This is not in scientific notation, right? So what will you do? How to convert it to scientific notation?
You move it back 1
42 times
value.
10 by 10 times 10 power of 27, correct?
Yes.
Now this division by 10, I'll do it. That becomes 4.2 times 10 power of 27. What will you do with these two powers? 4.2 times 10 power of 28. Make sense?
Yes.
Any other questions here? Okay, let me ask you this. 2050 times 10 power of minus 6. Express in scientific notation. Go ahead. Shall I do or you want to try?
Can you do?
Why? Not a hard one, right? This one, what do you want to do with this? How do you convert it to find a number between 1 to 10? How to find?
You divide it by 1,000.
Exactly. Multiply by 10 power of 3, divide by 10 power of 3. Okay. Now what happens? This division by 10 power of 3, if you regroup, it becomes 2.050 times 10 power of 3 times 10 power of minus 6. So what happens?
You add 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of negative 6, which becomes 2.050 times 10 to
Power of minus 3. Shruti, did you follow?
I think so.
You think so? Okay, the last problem, let's try. 12,300 times 10 power of 5. Write it in scientific notation, guys. So you have to convert it to what? 1.23, correct? How will you convert it to 1.23?
you divide it by
That's
10.
correct. That's correct. That's correct.
When does class end?
You want to leave?
No.
Okay, we'll finish. We'll finish in a few minutes. Good job, Shruti. Shruti and Sarvata, you can log off.
Bye.
Good job. Arhan, you can log off. Guys, did you get it? Viraj and Arihan.
I don't get it.
Just sent my answer.
You tried it well, okay. Viraj, good job trying, but there was a mistake. When you look at it, right? You have to go back 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, right? Going back means you're going to divide, okay. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, divide by 10 power of 4, you're going to use. Okay, times 10 power of 4, you do it so that you don't change the value of the number. See, multiplying and dividing by the same number means multiplying by 1, right? Now you use this to bring it to 1.23 times 10 power of 4 times 10 power of 5. Now what happens? 1.23 times 10 power of 9. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Arihan, did you get it?
No.
What is that you didn't get?
I don't get anything.
What is that you didn't get?
Everything, like everything. And that you just said.
You have to explain to me what you didn't get. I can explain. Viraj,
So
if
I
you
don't,
understood, you can log off. Yeah, go ahead.
how did you get from 1, 2, 3, 0, 0 times 10 to the power 5 to 1, 2, 3, 0, 0 over 10 to the power 4?
I just want to move to 4 decimal places. I've showed you here, right? I have to bring it to a number between 1 and 10. So I'll make it as 1.2. This number, I can make it as 1.2 by bringing the decimal from here to here. Correct?
Yes.
So how to bring the decimal? Times 10 power of 4. 4 places, right? Times 10 power of 4, divide by 10 power of 4. Make sense?
I still don't get it.
Okay, Arihan. I'll do one thing. Do you know how to see the recording of the class?
I didn't record it.
What is it?
I didn't record it.
It is on YouTube. Okay, if you ask your dad to check the welcome email, you get the details on how you can get the recording. Would you watch the recording and let me know if you understood it? Can you drop a message for me?
I'll tell my dad to.
Yeah. So now for this one, did you get it? 4 places to the left means you multiply by 10 power of 4 and divide by 10 power of 4.
I understand a bit of it now.
Yeah, when you divide by 10 power of 4, it becomes 1.23 and then you can write this one as 10 power of 9. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. See you next week. Have a nice week ahead.
Okay.
But I want you to watch and drop a message, okay?
Okay. Bye, bye, Priya.
Bye, guys.